Hi, I'm Ben Kraker, Senior Product Manager at KUHN. Today we will be doing a video walk around of the KUHN Triple Mergers. For operations looking to put up large amounts of quality hay and forage quickly, there is no better solution than a KUHN Triple Merger. Mergers in general offer many benefits compared to a wheel or rotary rake, including cleaner, more consistent windrows, fast operating speeds, and fewer rocks in the windrow. Starting up front at the hitch, the MM1101 and 1301 feature a convenient 2-point hitch that is Category 3, 4 narrow, and 4 quick hitch compatible. A tractor with a minimum of 140 horsepower is needed to run the 1000 RPM PTO. The hitch design contains the pumps for the self-contained hydraulic system and ensures the driveline stays straight, eliminating chatter even in the tightest of turns. There is also a convenient bubble level on the hitch to help set the tractor 3-point arms to the proper height. The MM1101 and 1301 require 3 tractor hydraulic valves. Each remote controls the position of one head through the full range of motion, from transport to headland to working position. The mergers are operated using IntelliMerge, an ISOBUS compatible control system. Tractors equipped with a monitor that meets the AEF guidelines for ISO compatibility can operate the merger without the need to install a dedicated display. Not only does ISOBUS make connecting the terminal quick and easy, but it also enables greater feedback, giving the operator the ability to ensure the machine is running at peak efficiency. For tractors without an in-cab terminal, KUHN offers a variety of ISO conformance tested displays to match operator preferences. Moving back from the hitch, the tongue on the merger serves as the oil reservoir for the self-contained hydraulic system. The 67-gallon capacity helps the oil stay cool in most conditions. The tongue also has an integrated sight glass to quickly check oil level, as well as a larger fill hole to reduce the time required after an oil change, and a shutoff valve to make oil filter changes easier. From the drives in the front hitch, the mergers have large steel lines running back to each head to help keep oil cool and provide ample flow to supply each valve block. This also makes for very clean hose routings, reducing the areas crop and dust can accumulate on the machine. The flow coming from the valve block then drives the belt, pickup, and skid shoe height adjustment on each head. For operations pushing the machine to the max, especially in areas with high summertime temperatures, a standard oil cooler helps keep the merger running at peak efficiency, even in harsh conditions. The electrically driven fan automatically turns on when the oil reaches a set temperature, so it only runs when needed. Additionally, it automatically reverses for 30 seconds every 10 minutes to keep the cooler clear of dust and debris. This system helps keep the oil cool, prolonging oil life, as well as reducing the overall quantity of oil needed, lowering annual maintenance costs. The belts can be set to merge all crop to the left, to the right, or split to both sides, or the belts can even be stopped to collect loose crop and deposit it into a windrow, usually on headlands. This unique capability of mergers makes certain no crop is missed while reducing the time the chopper or baler needs to spend driving around to collect stray crop. Belt tension is easily adjusted via a handle on the back of each head. It also incorporates a quick release mechanism so the tension can be reduced in between cuttings or at the end of the season to prolong the belt life when the machine is not in use. Operators can control pickup speed and belt direction from the tractor with the push of a button. When connected via ISOBUS to a tractor with a speed signal, the mergers can even automatically adjust pickup speed based on ground speed if desired. The standard OptiSense belt stall system helps to push machine performance to the next level. These sensors monitor belt speed and alert the operator if a belt is slowing, potentially leading to a plug. Should a belt actually stall, the system will disengage the pickup and belt so additional crop is not forced into the head, limiting the severity of a plug and reducing the likelihood of belt damage. This system helps both experienced and new operators push the machine to maximum productivity while decreasing downtime. The merger heads each have standard position sensors that are used to automatically shut off each head independently when it is raised to the headland position. This reduces unnecessary operation of the heads, making it easy to finish up point rows using only one head without having to push any buttons on the monitor. Additionally, these sensors enable a cleanout feature. Should the merger get plugged, raise both wings above the headland position and hold the cleanout button down for approximately 5 seconds. This will cause both heads to push crop toward the center of the machine with the aid of gravity. With the heads being partially raised, the operator can generally clear a plug without any need to leave the tractor seat. Next is perhaps the most important part of the merger, the pickup. Each head features a 6-bar cam-style pickup. KUHN exclusive anti-wrap rings on the ends of each pickup rotate with the tine bars to eliminate the pinch point between the rotating tubes and the fixed pickup end support, reducing the chances of crop catching and wrapping around the pickup. Routine maintenance on the pickup is quick and easy. Plastic stripper bands can be detached on the top and folded down without being completely removed to access pickup components. The tines are held on with a specially designed bolt, making it fast and easy to replace a worn or damaged tine with only one wrench. KUHN exclusive 2-piece split bearings with wear guards on the tine bars can be replaced without the need to remove the entire bar. Another KUHN exclusive, the floating wind guard, which helps to not only ensure no crop is missed, but also helps create a very uniform windrow. The wind guard holds the crop on the pickup tines so they can smoothly pass the crop to the optimal location on the belt to create a fluffy, consistent windrow. Depending on crop conditions, the wind guard can be easily adjusted to match crop volume. The 3-foot wide belts encompass patented integral header frames. This means there is nothing on the underside of the belts where sticky crop can pinch and reduce belt speed. Above the belts, the crop nets found only on KUHN commercial mergers. These nets help catch nutrient-rich leaves and other crop that may otherwise blow out of the merger and direct it back into the windrow. The nets can be set in one of 3 positions depending on crop conditions: all the way down, halfway up, or completely rolled up for high-volume fluffy crops like straw or corn stalks that are not prone to leaf loss. High-quality pickups need to be matched with a responsive height control and suspension system. Each head is supported by easy-to-adjust mechanical springs that provide simple, reliable header flotation. These springs allow the head to float up 8 inches or down 6 for a total of 14 inches of suspension travel. A slotted linkage in the wing arm provides an additional 10 inches of travel at the outer skid shoe to help these machines follow undulating terrain. The pickup height is set in the cab from 5/8 of an inch up to 3 inches off the ground. The height is controlled by 2 large pivoting skid shoes on each head that follow ground contours to ensure no crop is missed even in rough fields. To help minimize the time spent on routine maintenance, the mergers are equipped with a central lubrication system. This allows most of the machine to be greased from a central point to make sure nothing is missed, and reducing the time spent going around the machine to grease key points. An optional auto lube pump can be added to the central lubrication system, virtually eliminating the need for daily maintenance. For farms that need a taller, fluffier windrow, optional swath boards can be added to either the left, right, or both sides of the MM1101 to help form a taller windrow for better control of windrow placement. The MM1101 and 1301 are the ideal solutions for larger operations that need nutrient-rich, consistent windrows free from rocks and other debris to keep up with today's high horsepower forage harvesters.